Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you the best OBS settings for your Twitch stream or YouTube streams. So first you can start by picking the same language as the tutorial, English. Then moving on to stream, you can actually connect your account, so you can have the title and tags and everything here that could be edited, and you can also have the notification and the viewer count and everything. So it is recommended to connect your account. Also, you won't have to add the stream key every time. Next we have the output. So here we have two options. You can either stream with your processor or with your graphic card. So depending on which game you're playing, you can choose between these two. For example, if you are playing a game that require a lot of FPS and a lot of graphic, it is recommended to stream with your processor. And if not, you can simply stream with your graphic card for a higher quality image. Okay, moving on, you can see the bitrate. The maximum bitrate recommended is 6000. Keyframe interval 2 seconds. CPU usage is also depending on the game you're playing. If it doesn't require too much CPU, then you can make it slower to have a better quality. And profile should be main. Now let's see the settings for if you were to stream with your graphic card. Again, it should be 6000 bitrate, 2 keyframe interval, good quality, turn in high quality. Yeah, here you can do 2 passes with for full resolution, and profile you can put high, and max frame you can have 2. So this should be all about the output. If you have some question about the audio tracks and Twitch VOD, I already uploaded a tutorial about it. You're gonna find it in the description. Moving on to the audio. In the audio, it is also recommended not to use the desktop audio, as you have all the audio tracks mixed up in only one single audio. It is recommended to use virtual cables, and I also have a tutorial about it on my channel. But yeah, if you don't want that, you can simply just pick default, so you can use the desktop audio. The same goes for your mic. You can pick your mic from here. For the video, you can either stream with 720p or full HD. Yeah, if you are a new streamer, you can simply start with this one, as you won't have all the qualities. But if not, you can stream with full HD, and by changing both these resolution. Okay, and click apply, of course. Hotkeys, you probably won't need them that much, unless you want to bind some key bind to your mic, if you want to mute it with some shortcuts, or if you want to switch some scenes from starting soon to your in-game or something. I believe that should be all. And finally, you can add some stream delay if you want, like if you don't want to get stream sniped or something, you can add like 1 minute delay or 30 seconds. And yeah, I believe that should be all. And yeah, don't forget to transform, fit screen all your windows. If you ever have a problem with some windows not showing up and showing black screen instead, you can switch between automatic and Windows 10. If your game capture is not working, you could use window capture instead. And yeah, I believe that should be all for this tutorial about how to set up your OBS. I hope everything was clear. If you have any question, I will be glad to answer you in the comments below. Thanks for watching.